Still adding users directly to domain admins for temporary work. That creates standing privilege unless someone remembers to remove it later. Here, Joe is manually added to the domain admins group. Active Directory grants the privilege, but the workflow has no built-in duration, session owner, or automatic removal. After cleanup, Joe is removed again. This is the operating goal. Users should not remain in privileged AD groups when the task is finished. SmartPT JIT replaces that manual pattern with roles, assignments, active sessions, expiration, revoke, and audit visibility from the product workflow. A JIT role is the reusable access profile. It maps to one or more existing Active Directory groups, such as domain admins, and defines the allowed access modes. Assignments connect a user to a role and an activation type. This is where SmartPT decides who may receive the privileged role and under which conditions. Active Sessions is the live view of privileged access. Administrators can see active access, remaining time, and revoke access immediately when risk changes. JIT keeps access time-bound. Scheduled windows, manual duration, eligible activation, expiration reminders, and revoke behavior reduce standing privilege. SmartPT Core Recent Activity gives administrators an operating view of JIT activity, including sign-ins, assignment changes, revokes, and other product events. The before state is manual group membership. The after state is controlled, temporary, auditable JIT access that grants privilege only for the active window. Next, continue with the Domain Admin Access tutorial to see a focused privileged role workflow from request through monitoring.